Hello students, I want to take just a moment to show you how to format your title page and then also a few tricks along the way. In Microsoft Word, and this is the basic format of a title page, you should have 5 things on the title page. Number 1, your title. Number 2, your subtitle if required, and that just depends on the course or the type of paper you're doing. Then you should have your student name and the course name. This is for like the prefix, Bible 110, colon, and then New Testament survey, for example. And then you should have the date that it's being submitted, that it's due. So very simple: title, subtitle, your name, the course name, and then when it's due. Now, a couple of tricks to really help you understand how to do this. The best thing is to go to our website, ccbs.edu. When you land on the home page, in the top right corner, you'll see where it says Current Students. If you come down to Academic Services, you'll see a link, and you can click on that, go to the pop-out, and there's an item there called the Writing Center. When you go to the Writing Center, you can go there and see that there are several options there. If you scroll down, there's a section for Turabian style and writing guidelines. At the bottom of the writing guidelines is what's called the Turabian tip sheet. I would encourage you to go there, click on this little link, and it'll open a kind of a sample of the Turabian book, kind of a modified, shortcut, easy looking list. Not all these are applicable to our program, but some of them are. If you'll see the one there for title page, this will show you visually what you need to think about. So here's our simple title page made. So a couple of things to note. It says don't put a page number on the title page. That includes 0 or any other number. Use the same font as the main text. So your entire paper should be Times New Roman. You should start your title about 1/3 of the page way down. So just hit return a few times so you get about 1/3 of the way. Then include your title. If you have a title followed by a subtitle, then you have to have this little colon there. And that's what it says here. And then again, the title and any subtitle should be bold. Now, we disagree with this next statement. The font size may be 2 or 3 points larger. At CCBS, all font of your paper should be 12, with the exception of your footnotes. That's in our CCBS styled guide. Use regular headline caps. That's the first letter of every major word is capitalized. Any lowercase is for the little words, little connector words. Center the text and double space everything. So notice there's a space here, but it's just a normal double space. There is no after space included. And then you go about 1/3 of the way between your title section and the next one, and you're going to include those last parts. Your student name written out is your full name. Then any of your course identification, and we would just put HIS here. We use the shorter prefix in this particular example. So the prefix, colon, the full course name, and then the date that is due. And then this is what you should put at the bottom. And that's a very simple process. Now, if you go out to our Populi page, I can get back over there quickly. You'll actually see that we have already made this for you. If you go to the Files section, there's a document there called the Turabian 9 template. If you download that, you'll see that we've actually already created a sample document for you. And this information is already there. It's already in place. All the spacing's already set. All you have to do is really go there, click on the sections, and replace it. It is funny though, sometimes students will do it and it'll have a student name there, and not their name, but it'll just say literally student name, or they'll have an old date. So make sure that you're changing it, updating it to what needs to be there. Make sure that you check your fonts, that they're all Times New Roman, that they're all 12 point. Make sure that you don't have a page number on your title page. And you'll see here, if I scroll down, then the start of your actual paper is where your page 1 shows up. And then finally, just make sure that your spacing is correct, that you have double space, and you have none of these say remove, that all your after spacing is gone. That's it. Good luck on your title page.